Good day mga karelo. So today we have a watch review here. As you see, they have a Seiko Panda Prospect Speedmaster. So as you can see here, this watch is a 39 mm diameter, 13.3 mm the thickness, 45.5 lug to lug of this watch. So let's check the review of this watch. As you can see here, looks like a ceramic bezel here. They have a tachymeter on the bezel. Very good watch. Stainless steel bracelet with Seiko on the buckle. I love the buckle of this watch because very small, and then they have a lock press here, as you can see. Let's see the back information of the watch. So as you can see, this watch is a sapphire crystal, water resistance of 10 bar or 100 meters. So not good for this watch because this watch is designed for speed. The name is a Speedmaster, so maybe it's good that they have a water resistance of 100 meters. So as you can see here, let's see. So as you notice, when you when you remove the link, so you can see they have a hole some here, but some removable links was here. They have an arrow, as you can see. They have an arrow here. So this one is no diver's extension because not designed for dive, but he can resist around 100 meters of water resistance. This one is a chronograph watch. This watch is a solar battery operated but solar charge. The battery is charged by solar. So this watch is the advantage of this watch is your battery is much longer than ordinary battery. But the disadvantage of this watch also, you cannot put into your cabinet in a long time because as I said before, this is a solar watch. So from time to time we need to charge our battery. But if you can put into your cabinet drawer or watch box, it's good. Running like a battery operated, but of course better you can put it in expose on some light to assure that your battery is charged time to time. So let's see the operated of the watch. So this watch is chronograph. Let's see here. The tachymeter here is moving. So this watch is looks like a automatic movement of the tachymeter, but this battery operated. The second hand of the tachymeter here is looks the movement is looks like automatic, as you can see here. when I notice here, or when I press here, okay, I repeat again. And when I press okay, when you back, when you know what is the actual charge of your battery, just press here. Okay, currently is full. So as I notice, when I press here on the top bottom, the tachymeter small hand is moving on the center of the 60, meaning it's ready for measuring the time of the second. This watch is the second is measuring around a 1 hour for this. Let's see until 1 minute if moving for the one line. Okay. When moving the tachymeter hand, also the second hand here is moving. Okay, they have a moving here, as you notice, because this is a 39 mm diameter, so maybe the size of the this one is slightly small. So of course they have a 24-hour scale here. Guys, very important this watch that they have uh, like this, because if you want to know if currently your time is in a AM or PM, you know this because currently this one is around 9 in AM. Of course, they have time here, so no worry if you just adjust your date. Like for example here, guys, I show you. So this watch is not a screw down crown lock, so that's why I put it one pull. So when adjust the date clockwise, okay, as you see, okay, the dial is white. Loom the minute hand and the hour hand and the hour indicator. Also, they have a loom. So let's see check the 24-hour scale here. Just second pull here. Okay. As you notice, when I pull it, even though the our tachymeter second hand is working, when I pull it, reset to the original position. Okay, I show you again on the second hand also is stop. Okay, I pull it one, two. So let's see if they have an additional function when I press it here. Okay, what is that? What is that? Okay, if some reason if the battery is drained, so maybe you can reset it. Okay, we can return to the original position on the E. Okay, press again. Okay, even though the second hand here also we can adjust. you can do it when you pull twice the crown. If you encounter some problem here, so you can pull it. Okay, let's back to the center. Okay, and then let's adjust the time. As you can see, so currently is 9, 8, 9. So limited number on the 24-hour scale. So when I'm moving, so you notice they have a moving on the next line. Okay, so guys, currently this is a 12 and then 24. So currently that you are in the 12 noon. So moving here, as you notice, very beautiful because you have actual time here, but you can not monitor also if you are in the morning, afternoon. So currently we are here in around 10, going 10. Okay, 10 in the evening on the measure of this 24-hour scale. 2300 R. Okay, 24 hour. As you see, the date it was turn around 11:55 or 23:55 hour. Okay. The when I move the crown here, changing the time, also moving on the R24-hour scale here. So let's set the time. Okay. Let's see if back. Okay. If back also when I uh, turn to counterclockwise the crown. So currently our exact time here is 9:13. Okay, I put it back again. So currently he back on the battery measuring currently is full. So this is what is good. So let's check, guys, the mechanism of this watch. I'm so curious. So let's check. Let's open it. I put it here the back hell and then the tools. So we have a tool opener here. As you notice, guys, they have a tool opener here for this watch. Okay. Okay. As you notice here, guys. So this is the mechanism of the Seiko Prospect Speedmaster Panda. We can explore it. The battery rechargeable battery only. So the Seiko manufacturer told us that you can install. Of course, these are solar watches. That's why we need to install a rechargeable battery, which is the capacitor called the some mechanic. So if they have a other term, so maybe you can comment down below. This is the mechanism of Seiko Prospect Speedmaster Panda. So here is the detail of the back of the watch. As you can see here. And then let's see. So the gasket here, you can see it. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. So guys, kindly please like and share, and please guys subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel, for more watch video. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Please guys subscribe for our channel for more watch review. Thank you and bye bye.